In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create multiple Gmail accounts using your own Gmail. Fast, easy, and without confusion. We'll also test these new accounts in Leonardo AI to make sure they work perfectly. First, open the website called Mail Meteor. Use your own Gmail and click Generate. And here you go. In just a second, 2,048 Gmail accounts have been created. You can use any of these accounts. All are fully functional. Now, let's check how it works. I'm heading over to Leonardo AI to test. I'll insert a random Gmail that I just created in Mail Meteor. And it works. Leonardo AI instantly gave me 150 credits. And that's it. Now you know how to generate thousands of working Gmail accounts in seconds using Mail Meteor, and use them right away in Leonardo AI or more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.